Find the equation of a tangent to the circle x square plus y square equals to a square at the point x1, y1. Okay. Now let's take another point q x2, y2 on the same circle. Okay. So we have a circle and we have a point P, that is x1, y1. I am naming this as point P. Okay. And I am taking another point Q with coordinates x2, y2, okay, on the same circle. Now suppose I join these two coordinates. What will be the equation of the line PQ? The equation of line PQ is nothing but y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1 equals to y minus y1 upon x minus x1, right? Now again we know that point P and Q, point Q lies on circle. So it should satisfy the equation of a circle. If I am substituting this x1 and y1, it has to be equals to a square. Similarly, if I am substituting x2 and y2, again it should satisfy the equation. So I am taking this as, let me mark this as equation 1, second and equation 3rd. Okay. Suppose I am subtracting second by first one. What I will get is x2 square minus x1 square plus y2 square minus y1 square equals to 0. Okay. Now this is a square minus b square, so we can write this as x2 minus x1 and x2 plus x1. Similarly, this can be written as y2 minus y1 and y2 plus y1 equals to 0. Again we can write this as x2 minus x1 into x2 plus x1 equals to minus y2 minus y1 and y2 plus y1, right? Now keeping this as it is, so here I have y2 minus y1, taking this x2 minus x1 here and getting this y2 plus y1 other side, marking this as equation 4. Okay. Now suppose I am substituting equation 4 in equation 1. This was our equation 1. So instead of y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1, I am replacing it by x2 plus x1 and y2 plus y1. So what we have is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equals to minus x2 plus x1 upon y2 plus y1, and marking this as equation 5. Now suppose, assume that Q is tending towards P. Okay. If Q tends towards P, then what will happen? This chord line PQ, if P is tending towards Q or Q is tending towards P, this chord line will meet this point P, right? And it will become a tangent at point P, right? So this chord line PQ will become tangent at point P. Okay. So this Q is tending towards P. So this x2 will tend towards x1 and y2 will tend towards y1, right? So we can write this y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equals to, now instead of x2 we can substitute it as x1 because x2 is tending towards x1 as well as y2 is tending towards y1. So we can write this as minus x1 plus x1 and y1 plus y1, which is nothing but minus 2 times x1 upon 2 times y1. Okay. So what we have is y minus y1 upon x minus x1 equals to minus x1 upon y1. Now simplify this. So we can write this as y1 into y minus y1 equals to minus x1 into x minus x1. So this can be written as y1y minus y1 square equals to minus x1x plus x1 square. So from taking it other side, this will be x1x plus y1y equals to x1 square plus y1 square. And we know that, okay, over here, x1 square plus y1 square is nothing but a square, since x1 and y1 satisfies the equation of a circle from equation 2. So we can write this as x1x plus y1y is equals to a square. So this is the required equation.